just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em falling, oh, oh, oh. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it go. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em falling, oh, oh, oh. Come on. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Whoa, boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Hey, come on, people. Katy Perry.
Thank you.
We got half of China in here. That was amazing.
You know,
Wow.
we like to light it up.
Hey, so listen, you were obviously a judge for us earlier on. How does performing here compare to being a judge? Which is more nerve-wracking?
It's still nerve-wracking.
Really?
Because you're kind of being judged still.
Always.
How did I do?
And, you know, your hit rate was pretty good. You put through one of Bellamy, you put through one of One Direction, you put through Mary from Dublin as well.
I know, I'm just waiting for the call from Simon, really.
Aren't we all? Okay, listen, just one quick question. I mean, when's the tour happening? When are you back?
Oh my gosh, we just went on sale yesterday and I think it's all sold out.
Got an exclusive right here.
Don't you know that I'm going to be coming back and I'm going to add more dates, of course.
Great stuff. Listen, one more time, give it up for the fantastic Katy Perry!